17,898 days. That's how many days I've been on this planet. Quick disclaimer, this is the only planet I've ever been on. I'm not quite sure what I wanted this video to be, and if I'm being honest, maybe a bit of a self-indulgent reflection where I drop the amazing knowledge and lessons gained by surviving 49 years. But I don't feel any wiser. I feel like I have more questions than answers. What I will say is this. Over the last 1,100 days, I've been traveling the world, observing, trying to learn from it. And here's what it's taught me. It taught me to be patient. It taught me not to be afraid to try new things. Most importantly, it taught me to go. Go in the rain, go in the heat, go in the cold, go really early or go really late. The reward may be a spectacular view you get all to yourself, or no lines to try that new viral ramen place you saw online. More happy, less stress. The price of admission is discomfort. Not much, just a little. I've learned the best things are not monuments, but moments. Like a kind gesture from a stranger that gives you hope for humanity, if not for a day or two. Mostly I wanted to make this video out of gratitude. A thank you to all of those who I've met, who've helped me along my path. To say how grateful I am to make it this far. How grateful I feel to see what I've seen, go where I've gone, and do what I've done. So, thank you. And here's to 17,898 days more.